Howdy, howdy, howdy. Taking time to watch this video. My name is I'm with Joe Marketing Pro. Thanks first. Hey Cortana, does ranking #1 on Google increase sales? Survey says every business and website their dreams of ranking #1. I wouldn't say dreams, but you know, they reasons are clear. Reaching that top spot or even one of the top would mean increased traffic to your site, visibility, and the potential for sales to catapult your business ahead of the competition. Unfortunately, high rankings rarely, never, won't, and don't happen by chance. They don't. It cannot happen by chance. That's like hoping and praying that one day when someone searches for photography, one day I'm just gonna pop up here and just start getting all the calls, because that's what these dudes are doing. They're getting all the phone calls when someone types in photography, someone types in aerial, videography. These guys are getting all the phone calls. That's what it is. So I'm gonna talk about the key elements to ranking organically. Is there anybody paying for ads? Yep, we got one guy paying for ads. Okay, but oh well. So the key elements. #1 is a map listing. I cannot find a map listing for you. I don't know if you have one. You have a Facebook. You have a YouTube. Can't find a map listing. Now, it doesn't matter if you want people's address. You don't have to list your address, but you do need a map listing. Okay? This is one of the key elements. This anchors you in the town you desire to rank in. If you don't know how to do this, what you will do is go to Google My Business, googlemybusiness.com, sign in. You might have to come to this page twice, because after you sign in, it like redirects you to some weird Google Gmail thing. Then when you're in, just come back here, sign in, and be like, just say like, what is everybody else? Hold on. You want to figure out what everybody else, but you're mainly aerial drone services. So you want to see what your competitors are putting. So you got some guys that say video production service, aerial photography. Which one gets the most searches, right? Aerial, video. So I mean, the choice is yours, man. Personally, before I did it, I would see which one of these, video production, aerial photography, you know what I mean? I would see which one people look for the most. I would say photography would be the most, you know what I mean? Because I mean, even I don't know, you get what I'm saying. So let's just say aerial. I'm just gonna go with photography. Hit enter whenever you do that. Enter. Next. Business name, GAF. We don't understand your category. Oh, business category. Okay, here it goes. If you don't want your address being displayed, just simply click no. If you don't mind, simply click yes. It's that simple. But fill this out, man. They're gonna send you a postcard. You enter that verification code. If you have any questions, just call me. Okay, this is my phone number right here. I also called you earlier. This is the business phone number, but you can call me on my personal line, 682-435-3226. Okay, boom. That's just the first step, man. So the second step, after you get that set up, and, optimize, get your reviews up, you can start getting citations. Your business system, info, which is your name, address, and phone number. Content. Content is the words on your website. It must be authoritative, relevant to search. Now, here's what I mean. Type in film on Google. Okay? Film. Wikipedia is the first thing to pop up. Most authoritative and relevant content on the topic. So, any difference anybody types in. Whoever has the most authoritative, relevant content while utilizing key elements is going to be the one. Billions and billions of websites, particularly mainly their homepage, see what they're about, and if they think you're the most relevant, they're going to show you first. Hey, man, these guys are the most relevant. That's why people call first on the first, because Google, they're the best. Oh, Google put the best people on. I mean, I know, that's what I do. I don't scroll to page 10 to get my windshield replaced. I mean, you know, I'm just being honest. I'm not trying to waste your time, bud. I know you're busy, but if you have any questions or would like to know more, just go to jonemarketingpro.com. Feel free to download this free guide. This is like a template of what your website should have on it. Okay? Yeah, thank you for watching.